The images you see are from Iran, and Israel continues to respond very harshly to Iran. Israel has been taking even harsher measures since Khamenei's death. The Iranian intelligence headquarters building in Tehran was also one of the targets of Israel, and this is how it was photographed. These images seen are again from Tehran and are the result of Israeli missile attacks on Tehran on the 2nd of March 2026. While all this is happening, I want to ask you which side you think has the technical advantage in this war between Iran and Israel. Iran has approximately 3 times the population and military inventory of Israel. However, Israel's advanced technological weapons are becoming a balancing factor here. In your opinion, is population or technology more important in this war? While quantity may seem important at first glance, quality is far more crucial. As you can see in this video, Iran is launching a large number of missiles at Israel, but Israel's Iron Dome air defense system is able to intercept most of them, destroying them even before they reach Israeli airspace. All of this involves attacks against Iran, but as in this example, drones or missiles are intercepted while still in the air. In the video you watched, an Iranian drone was destroyed and brought down to the ground. The images you see are from Qatar. Qatar is one of the countries that Iran is trying to damage by sending a lot of missiles. And like all countries, it has an air defense system and is doing everything it can to ward off threats. Although they try to protect against them, some missiles still hit residential areas. And as always, Iran is quick to retaliate for these attacks. The images you are watching are from Iran, from the Sanandaj region. We continue to bring you, our subscribers, news from around the world throughout the war. You can subscribe to support us. So, how long do you think this war will last, and who will come out on top?